So good evening to all. My name is Bablu Kumar and currently I am pursuing integrated BA from Lovely Professional University. So in this video I am going to explaining about SDG, that is Sustainable Development Goal, and that I am explaining about I am going to talking about SDG 13, that is climate action. So in this video we will discuss about what is SDG 13 and objective of SDG 13, importance, progress and achievement, challenges, and relation between that chapter and SDG 13. In conclusion, I have taken chapter the tsunami, class 8, chapter 2. So I will discuss about that. So what is SDG 13? So SDG 13 about climate action, that is Sustainable Development Goal 13. This is a Sustainable Development Goal SDG 13 to limit and adapt to climate change. About climate change, SDG 13 to relate to climate change. It is one of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals established by United Nations General Assembly in 2015. And the official mission statement of third goal is to take urgent action to combat climate change and its impact. SDG 13 has 5 targets which are to achieve by 2030. Okay, so they are covered a wide range of issues surrounding climate action. The first target or outcome target. The first target is to strengthen resilience and adaptive capacity towards climate change related disaster. And second target is to integrate climate change measures into policies and planning. So this was about what is SDG 13. Next, objective of SDG 13. So here are the key objective of SDG 13 climate action in point. First, strengthened resilience and adaptive capacity, means that enhance the ability of all countries to adapt climate related hazard and natural disaster. And second is integrate climate change measure into policies, means that ensure that climate action is integrated into national policies, strategies and planning across sector. And third one, improve education and awareness. That is, you have to promote education, awareness raising and human institutional capacity on climate change. That will be helpful for our viewers. And fourth, mobilize financial support for climate action. In that, provide financial resources to developing country to help them take effective climate and action and implement mitigation and adaptation strategies. Okay, support vulnerable countries. That is fifth one. And sixth, implement international climate agreement. So this was the objective of SDG 13, that is climate action. Next is importance of SDG. I have taken SDG 30, that is climate action. So what is importance of that? So here are some highlighting importance of SDG 13. First one is that combat climate change, means that climate change helps address global warming and reduce its catastrophic effect on the environment and human life. Second one, protect vulnerable population, aims to safeguard the most affected population, especially in developing countries, for climate related disaster. Third one, ensure sustainable development, support sustainable economic growth by reducing environment impact and promoting green technology. Okay, and fourth, promote global cooperation, and fifth, preserve ecosystem progress and achievement. So global climate agreement. The Paris Agreement 2050 mark a major step to a global commitment to limit global warming to below 2 degrees Celsius. Second is that increase in climate policy. Many countries have integrated climate action into their national policy and strategy, focusing on emission reduction and adaptation. Third one, growth of renewable energy. Significant progress has been made in expanding renewable energy resources like wind and solar, and reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Fourth, rising climate awareness. There is greater global awareness and activism surrounding climate change, particularly among young generation. So this is some progress and achievement of climate action on climate action. Okay. Second, last is challenges. What were the challenges in this SDG 13? The first is insufficient climate finance. Many developing countries struggle with inadequate funding for climate adaptation and mitigation projects. Okay. So for example, despite international progress, $100 billion annual climate finance target for developing countries set by the Paris Agreement remains unmet. Inadequate global coordination, and there are challenges in achieving effective global cooperation. So this is the some challenges in climate change. So now I have taken a chapter the tsunami. This is chapter class 8 and chapter number 2. So this is the chapter name tsunami. Tsunami are powerful and destructive natural disaster. They are caused by distribution. So now I have taken chapter. Um, so now I have taken this chapter the tsunami. This is the class 8 and chapter 2. So what is tsunami? Tsunami are powerful. Tsunami are powerful and destructive natural disaster. They are caused by disturbance in the ocean floor such as earthquake or volcanic eruption. Okay. SDG related to this chapter, climate action. Okay. SDG 13 addresses the urgency of taking action to combat climate change and its impact. Tsunami, while not directly caused by climate change, can be exacerbated by rising sea level. Okay, sea level activated and extreme weather events and disaster risk reduction. Tsunami and major natural disaster SDG 30 promotes the strengthening of the resilience and adaptive capacity to climate related hazard hazard and so promotes strengthening of the resilience and adaptive capacity to climate related hazard and natural disaster including tsunami. Early warning system. SDG 13 emphasizing the importance of early warning system for extreme weather events and disaster including tsunami warning. And fourth is international cooperation. So this was the chapter that was related to SDG 13. Okay. What is tsunami? So giant waves. This is a type of giant waves. Tsunami are a series of extremely long waves caused by a sudden displacement of large volume of water, often due to an underwater earthquake or volcanic eruption. Second is ocean floor disturbance. Like the most common cause of tsunami is underwater earthquake, particularly those that occur along subduction zone where tectonic plates collide and long wavelength. Tsunami waves have extremely long wavelength, sometimes spanning hundred of kilometers, while allow them to travel vast distance across the ocean. So this was the meaning of tsunami. What is tsunami? Next, cause of tsunami. What is the causes of tsunami? So underwater earthquake. First is that earthquake, underwater earthquake. The most common cause of tsunami is earthquake that occurs beneath the ocean floor, particularly those that involves vertical movement of earth crust. And second is volcanic eruption. This is second cause. Volcanic eruption, especially those that occur underwater and can also displacement large volume of water and generate tsunami. Third is landslide. Large scale landslide, especially those occurring underwater or near coastal areas, can trigger tsunami by displacing water. And meteorite impacts. So these were the causes of tsunami. Next is tsunami warning sign. What is the sign of tsunami? Sudden descending of water. Okay, a noticeable and rapid withdrawal of the water from the shoreline, exposing the seabed, is a strong indicator of the impending tsunami. Second is unusual changes in sea level. Unexpected rise or fall in sea level beyond the normal tidal fluctuation can be warning sign of tsunami. And third is a strong earthquake. A strong earthquake felt A strong earthquake felt near the coast, especially if it is relatively shallow, is a major trigger of for a tsunami. Okay. So if you notice any of these warning signs, you will evacuate immediately to higher ground. So lesson learned and future prepares. Early warning system. Okay. Improve tsunami warning system using a network of sensor and communication technology. Evacuate plans and infrastructure strengthening. Public education, we have to give more, we have to educate more people to how to deal with this time if we face this type of issue. Okay, so conclusion that tsunami are powerful natural disaster that require careful planning and preparedness. By understanding these signs of behind them, implementing warning system and strengthening community, we can better mitigate. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and thank you.